Hello. I just solved one of the issues I've been having for a long time now while recording videos on my PS4. Hold your home button, right? You see where it says adjust microphone level? Alright, look. I'm gonna plug mine in right now. Alright, so here's the problem. You go to this. Now, you wanna have your volume thing like right here. And you won't hear any static at all. If you got it too high, all the way here, it's gonna make that static noise. And then you know, like, go on a game or whatever, record yourself, like don't talk at all, and then see if you can hear a static. If you don't hear it, then it works. If you hear it, just tweak it a little bit. All right, so I changed my volume. Okay, it went back. All right, I'm gonna put it all the way to like right here, and you'll see the difference. So enter. All right, now the game I'm editing right now is called Beyond Two Souls. I love the game, and I'll be uploading a video on it. Let me stop talking, let me record this. Okay, save. Now I'm gonna turn my TV up so you can hear the static. Oh wait, hold on. All right. Now watch, I'm gonna plug in my headset again. Hold on, give me a minute. Oh, if you're wondering, this is what I'm using. It's the Billboard headset. My good friend Eli got it for me for my birthday. So shout out to him. But anyways, all right. Now I'm gonna go back to where I had it at before. I believe it was like right there, right? Now I'm gonna record again. Usually record. All right, let that go for a few seconds. So stop the recording. Now go here. All right, I'm gonna plug my mic so you can hear the difference. All right, let that go for a few seconds. All right. See, it's not as loud, isn't it? So yeah, that I just want to just show you guys that. Now I did hear a little bit of static in mine, so I might turn it down a little bit. But yeah, that includes today's video on how to fix the static. Or yeah. So thanks for watching.